The number of first-time freelancers is on the rise. An increasing number are realizing the benefits of being their own boss and having a flexible work schedule. Are you still considering a move into the freelance world? Maybe you've already started freelancing but want to make sure that you've not missed anything that could boost your success.
So before you can start to find freelance work, the first step is understand your target audience. You need to make sure you know how your potential clients will be. Or understanding your prospective client base will help you to plan your pricing structure and implement your marketing strategy and focus on your time